Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add a clock widget to your Notion page very easily. So first you need to go to Chrome or to Safari and then search for widgetbox.app. Then simply create a free account that is, it's totally free, so you can create up to 5 widgets for free in a free plan, and you can create very nice widgets. So for example, tap on this clock, so tap on create, and here you can select if you want to use dark mode or the light mode of Notion, and you can change the background color. So for example, this color, this yellow color, purple, but let's select bit grayish, and you can change the text color, so you can make it orange if I want to, or let's go with white. And here you can change the roundness, so none, small, medium, or large. Let's select medium, and the type, so you can select a 12-hour clock, so then it's PM and AM, or a 24-hour. And once you're satisfied, you can tap on copy right here. So now the embed URL is copied. Now you can go back to Notion. Then you type /embed, and here paste the embed link. So paste it and tap on embed. Let load, and as you can see, now you have a 24-hour digital clock with a nice day. So this works perfectly fine. So when it's 11:34 or 43, I need to say, it switches automatically, which is really nice. This is very useful to have it, for example, in your dashboard. As you can see, it switched. So this is very useful to have it in your dashboard to just have a quick look at the time. And you can add multiple widgets, so not only a clock, but you can add a lot of widgets with that tool, which is really nice. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.